Hello, let's look at this set called G. It has 7 numbers inside the curly brackets. Our job is to find what is special about all these numbers and describe them in words. Let's look at each number one by one. Do you see anything they share? None of them are even. They are all bigger than 10 and smaller than 40. Let's dig deeper. A prime number is a number that can only be split into equal parts by 1 and itself. 13 can only be split evenly by 1 and 13. So yes, 13 is a prime number. 17 can only be split evenly by 1 and 17. Same for 19 and 23. No other number goes into them evenly. So all three are prime numbers. 29, 31, and 37 are also prime numbers. No number other than 1 in themselves can split them evenly. So every single number in our set is prime. Now let's see where these numbers start and end. The smallest number is 13 and the biggest number is 37. So all our prime numbers live between 13 and 37. Let's make sure we are not missing any prime number between 13 and 37. After 13 comes 17, 19, 23, 29, 31, and 37. That's all of them. Our description fits perfectly. Great job. The answer is G is the set of prime numbers from 13 to 37. We looked at every number, found they were all prime, and found the range. That's our descriptive form.